Mobility challenges are among the most common concerns faced by seniors in India. Conditions such as arthritis, stroke, fractures, Parkinson's disease, and age-related muscle weakness often reduce independence and increase the risk of falls. These challenges can make everyday activities stressful for seniors and families alike. At Life Circle, our senior mobility care at home approach focuses on safety, dignity, and comfort by combining trained caregivers, physiotherapy support, and home safety guidance to help seniors live confidently in familiar surroundings. Limited mobility can arise from both health-related and environmental factors. Chronic conditions like arthritis and neurological disorders affect balance and strength, while post-stroke recovery or fractures can limit movement for extended periods. At the same time, unsafe home environments such as uneven flooring, poor lighting, cluttered pathways, and the absence of bathroom safety fixtures significantly increase fall risks. Life Circle addresses both physical and environmental challenges to ensure seniors remain protected at home. Life Circle provides trained caregivers who assist seniors with safe transfers such as moving from bed to chair, chair to toilet, and during walking or stair use. Caregivers are trained to support seniors while using walkers, wheelchairs, or canes and remain attentive throughout the day to prevent slips, falls, and injuries. For seniors requiring constant supervision, round-the-clock caregiving ensures safety without compromising independence. Physiotherapy plays a vital role in restoring strength and confidence for seniors with limited mobility. Life Circle arranges professional physiotherapists who design personalized exercise routines focused on improving balance, flexibility, and muscle strength. Regular progress monitoring allows exercises to be adjusted as mobility improves, helping seniors regain independence gradually and safely within their own homes. A safe home environment is essential for seniors with mobility limitations. Life Circle guides families in making simple yet effective changes such as installing grab bars and non-slip mats in bathrooms, improving lighting in hallways and staircases, and keeping living spaces clutter-free. Seniors are encouraged to use sturdy chairs with armrests and mobility-friendly layouts that make movement easier. Technology supports such as motion sensor lights, emergency call devices, and app-based caregiver monitoring further enhances safety and peace of mind. Here are two statements from current clients about our at-home mobility strategy. Contact Life Circle today. Visit lifecircle.in, call 079713674041, or download the Life Circle app.